Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So let's start today's video without any further ado and watch this video until the end if you guys want to know how you guys can slow down a video on Snapchat, because if you skip the video you might get confused. So let's start the video. So for this, first open Snapchat and record a video using Snapchat's camera like this. So I've recorded a video using Snapchat's camera. It's gonna look like this, and after recording the video you can swipe right until you see a snail icon. So swipe right once, two, again, and as you guys can see, you see the snail icon. Once you see the snail icon, it indicates that your video is being slowed. So my video is on slow mode. As you guys can see, this is the normal mode and this is the slow mode. As you guys can see, the video has drastically slowed, and if I want to speed it up, I can swipe right again and a rabbit icon will be shown and my video will be fast. So that's basically how you slow down a video on Snapchat. And after slowing down the video, you can click on send to and send it to whoever you want, like this. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. I'll answer and help you solve your problem. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.